Hey guys, so this episode was recorded exactly a week ago, but my editing software was acting up, so I couldn't edit the video. I wanted to make another video for you guys, but I realized that most of the things I said in this video, or most of the things that occurred in this video, still holds true even this week. And also, being that nothing much has really happened in the market since then, that's why I'm uploading this video for you guys instead today. So, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I know it's been a while since you guys last heard from me. That's because nothing much has really happened in the market. The statement I made in my last episode still remains the truth. We're already in a bull market and most people are not going to realize it yet, but those of us who already see it would start acting accordingly. Alright, so let's begin with the first order of the day, which is Bitcoin. As you guys can see, in the last episode I was talking about prices getting lower towards $24,500 or $25,000 before we could get into the market and buy the dip. But as you can see, the buyers in the market are very adamant, as they could only let price get to as low as $27,000 before prices started heading back higher. And as you can see, currently prices are sitting at $29,000, and of course we could see it clear $30,000 and head on higher towards $35,000 or $40,000. So if you're looking to take some profit, or if you're looking for where market could turn around once we clear $30,000, you should be looking towards $35,000, and of course if the market passes $35,000, of course we should be looking towards $40,000. So $35,000 and $40,000 are where I'll be keeping my eye on to take some profit if I want to, or looking for the market to slow down a little bit and turn back around in price. But as for now, we need to clear $30,000 first and then start heading higher towards $35,000 before we do anything. All right, but as it stands right now, it looks like the market isn't going to be visiting $25,000. And if you guys remembered in the last episode, I told you guys that $25,000 is the line in the sand. As long as the market remains above $25,000, we are already in a bull market. If the market comes down below $25,000, we are still in a bear market. All right, so basically what the market has shown so far is that the bull market is here to stay, at least as long as it remains above $25,000, and clearly it has remained above $25,000. The lowest the market will come to was $27,000, and it couldn't go any lower than $27,000, and then quickly shot back up towards $29,000. So once we can clear $30,000, the next stop is $35,000, and as long as we remain above $25,000, the bull market continues. All right, now let's take a look at Ethereum. This is also another one that I mentioned to you guys. I told you guys that we should be looking to buy the dip for Ethereum at around $1,800 or $1,775. The lowest we could get to, we couldn't really get to exactly $1,775, but we were able to get to $1,800. Those of us who already bought the dip and set our buy limit at $1,800, we should be in the market right now. So we should be looking to take some profit. If you are interested in taking some profit, you should be looking to take some profit at $2,400. $2,400 is the next major resistance for the market to cross. All right, just as $35,000 is the next major resistance for the market to get to, $2,400 in Ethereum is the next major resistance to get to. So if you already bought the dip, or if you've not gotten into the market now, it's still time. There's still time. You can get into the market right now at $18.99. Get into the market and then ride it all the way to $2,400. If I'm to calculate how much percentage that is about a 35% return in just buying right now and then selling part of your profits in future. Okay, so anybody who's interested in doing that, you guys know my style. I like holding these cryptocurrencies. I like buying them and holding them for a long run. But if I am to take profits anytime soon, I will be looking to take some profit for Ethereum at $2,400 and then waiting for the market to come down a little bit, buy some of the dip, and then head on higher. Alright guys, so let's take a look at Cardano. If you guys remember the last time I mentioned Cardano, I covered it. I told you guys that we should be looking to get into the market at 35 cents, 36 cents, give or take. But clearly the market didn't even get that low. Cardano also has very strong bulls in it, very strong buyers. People want to push the price higher. So the lowest we could get to on Cardano was 38 cents, right? So 38 cents, we got 38 cents, and then since then we've been heading higher. So right now we sit at 40 cents. So here's the thing with Cardano, right? At this point, there's still a chance that we could get down to 36 cents or 35 cents, but the chances are getting slimmer, being that now we are strongly in a bull market already. So if you would like to buy Cardano, you can buy it right now at even present prices. That's still good, because the next stop for Cardano, once we cross 42 cents, is 50 cents. Okay, so if you would like to buy Cardano, you can buy it right now and then still set a buy limit at 35 or 36 cents and see if the market eventually comes down towards that spot. If the market eventually comes down towards that spot, that will be fine. You'll be able to buy Cardano even at cheaper prices, and then wait for it to get all the way to 50 cents before you do anything about it. All right, that's something that is happening with Cardano right now. All right, so let's cover Dogecoin. This is something that I usually just tell you guys is just a meme coin and stuff like that, but nevertheless, you know, it's still doing its thing, right? So for those who are actually interested in buying some Dogecoin and to take some quick profits at the same time, you can do so right now. The next stop for Dogecoin is at 10 cents. So if you buy Dogecoin right now at 8 cents, you can take some profit at 10 cents, which is basically just a quick 20% return for you. So if you're interested in buying some Dogecoin to just quickly take as profit and then redistribute that into the much more solid cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum, right? You can just do so right now at 8 cents, make some quick buck at 20%, and then, you know, redistribute that profit. Or you can just leave it to run its course, right? If you guys remembered, there was a time I made a video on Dogecoin and where its price could get to, at least where I'll be selling some of my Dogecoin, and that price for me is around 75 cents to $1. Okay, so Dogecoin will still make way more returns than in the near term, but in the near term, if you like to take some profit, 10 cents is a great spot to do it. And if you like to buy it, present prices is a perfect spot to do so as well. So definitely keep that in mind. All right, so let's cover Matic. This is also another one that has been, you know, developing and growing as an ecosystem for a while now. And right now, Matic sits in between 93 cents and $1. Okay, right now we are just sitting at $1 right now. So if you like to buy Matic, these are still great prices for you to be able to do so. So you can buy Matic right now at $1, or if it goes down towards 93 cents or 92 cents or 95 cents, that's an even better bargain. All right, so you can buy Matic right now, and then there are some resistances along the way. So we have $1.25. That's a spot that could slow Matic down or turn it around, but nevertheless, the ultimate place for you to take some profit for Matic is at $1.50. Okay, so if you can buy Matic right now at $1, take some profit at $1.50, that would be a 50% return on your money. So for those of you who are looking to just take some profit, or you are looking for where to take some profit, that is why I make these videos, right? To like help you determine where will be the best place for you to sell. All right, if you would like to sell some of your assets, right? For Matic, that would be at $1.50. Now let's talk about XRP. I haven't covered XRP in a while, okay, and that's because really nothing much has really, like, when you're looking at the chart for XRP, nothing much is really happening. Yes, they are currently having a lawsuit with the SEC, which is really hampering its price down for a while now. So even with that, it turns out that they might, you know, be settling the case with the SEC. At least there will be an end to the case, or at least a development with the case by the end of this year. For those of you who know about that. So for those of you actually interested in XRP, nothing much is really going on. All I would just say for XRP is just keep buying it, okay? Because once this case can be settled with the SEC, with the US SEC, in favor of XRP or not in favor of XRP, one way or the other, then we would see significant movements to XRP. But right now, nothing much is really happening with it. But of course, that means that you can just keep buying, because that means the price is kind of dormant right now. Yes, we have seen the price shoot up significantly in recent times. Like it went all the way from like 38 cents and shoot up towards 60 cents, right? But right now it's sitting at around 40 cents. So with that being said, if you like to buy some XRP, you can just buy some. The price is still dormant, because once there can be a ruling in favor of XRP, we will definitely see XRP shoot up in price towards the high of like $3, $4, probably even $7, right? We could definitely see that. But right now, that just means you can just keep stacking into XRP and just keep buying and then wait for, you know, something significant to happen in their favor, and then the price shoots up. That's why I've not really been covering XRP, because the price has just been dormant. Nothing has really been happening with it. But with that being said, it just means you can just keep buying it whenever. All right, so that's why I said let me just put that in here. All right, so that brings me to the end of this episode. If there's any cryptocurrency I didn't cover that is on the top 10, that's because nothing much is really happening on it. Like for example, I didn't cover BNB. That's because nothing much is really going on with it. Just buy it. Obviously, I didn't cover USD and Tether because they are stable coins. Polygon, Dogecoin, Cardano, I covered the rest. So pretty much that's good. If there's any cryptocurrency you guys are interested in for me to cover, put them in the comment section down below. I'll do that. As for the other cryptocurrencies that you may have told me to cover in the past, I took a look at some of them. Nothing much is really happening. The last thing I said about it still remains the same. Nothing much has really happened in the market. Like I said, until Bitcoin crosses $25,000 downwards, right, then we know that okay, we are no more in a bull market. But as long as we remain above $35,000, the bull run continues, and then we can then start just take profits as we head higher in prices. All right, that brings me to the end of the episode, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with people you think would find it helpful as well. I thank you guys for watching. If we have any other significant thing happen in the market again, then maybe I'll make another market review for you guys. But for now, that's it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Cheers.